What's up everybody, Sami here. So, Xiaomi 50 Ultra, Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. One with that red maple thing and one I just switched to Leica Authentic. So, which one delivers the most true to life, the best picture in this video? Let's find out. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, 4K 60 FPS. What a sunny day! What a sunny day! It's a tremendous good weather, good day, right? And we are comparing this two phones. One with the red maple thing. It has lots of things, technical terms going on. And one is the Xiaomi 50 Ultra, probably the most anticipated phones, Ultra phones in 2025, and we're comparing it. Okay, now it's green light. We can check. Just put them side by side. All right. So just let me know who has the best, stabilization, video quality. Maybe I just switch to the backlight here a little bit, so you can see who has the best dynamic range, those kind of things. Okay, some of you suggest that I don't move that much because some want to shoot in still videos. Okay, but anyway, running is my what? It's my trip. How to say that? Running is my character, So I just running. I have to run a little bit. Okay. I guess that's it. Now let's to the front camera. And now to the front camera. So for the front camera, Huawei has this wide angle. So this is 0.9 and this is one time. While for Xiaomi, it's nothing, just one main, camera lens. So let's just go test it a little bit. So right now it's like the backlight situation. Whoa, I don't know. Seems like, yeah, I guess Huawei register this kind of more to the left because it's kind of a hazy day. If I turn to this way, you see. But I don't know. I have to check on the screen. But anyway, let me run a little bit. Both at 4K 60. This is such a good place. Tremendous place. Okay. I just run. Okay, that's it. That's it. Alright, now to the part you guys like mouse with the zoom 4K 30. Alright, zoom. This is the main camera. See any difference? The tone is really different. Okay, it's different. And ultrawide. Ooh, seems like Huawei is much wider, right? It's much wider. And then 1, 2. Okay, this is the 2 times, 3 times on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and 4 times. Okay, anyway, let me just adjust it to 3. So 3 on Huawei. Wow, man, this is a bit different, a big difference. Okay, I'm gonna use the default zoom on the Huawei, which is 4. Oh, now you can see. Now you can see 4 times, right? Now 4 times is much because the switch lanes. So, but I would say Xiaomi is clearer, is much with more details, more sharp, and now 4.3. And now 4.3 on Xiaomi 15 Ultra still looks much better, sharper, more details. What do you think, right? Definitely, I don't even need to check this on computer. And now I adjust to all the way to 10 times. Okay, 10.4 and all the way to 10 times, okay? So 10 times and 10 times. Wow. I think Xiaomi wins a lot. Wins bigly. Wins a lot, okay, and all the way to 20 times. All the way to, okay, this is also 20 times on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. You can see Xiaomi is much more clearer, right? You can see the text very clear, the details, but on Huawei it's become so soft and too grainy. And Xiaomi even can go to 30 times. Wow, even 30 times, as you can see. And now let's switch a little bit. Let's to this part. Okay, Starbucks. Okay, I cannot make them like the same because the lanes thing with the Starbucks. Okay, it's right here. Oh, okay. Anyway, I find it's very hard to focus. Alright. Anyway, that's it. That's the zoom.